Hello, I'm Rudik Zubian from Shield Public Adjusters. Today, I wanted to talk about a crucial aspect of your homeowner's insurance, understanding the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value coverage, and figuring out which one is best for you. Let's start with the basics. Replacement cost coverage is designed to pay you the amount necessary to replace or repair your damaged property with new materials, without considering depreciation. In contrast, actual cash value takes depreciation into account, which means you receive less because it reflects the current value of your property after wear and tear. Imagine this. Your roof, originally worth $20,000 when new, gets damaged in a storm. With replacement cost coverage, your insurer might pay you the full $20,000, allowing you to replace your roof with a brand new one. However, if your policy only provides actual cash value and your roof has depreciated by $5,000 over the years, you'd only receive $15,000. The $5,000 difference can be a game changer when you're trying to restore your home to its pre-loss condition. This example highlights one of the key differences. Replacement cost coverage ensures a full replacement without a deduction for depreciation, while ACV gives you the actual current value of the property. Now, you might be wondering, which coverage should you choose? It really depends on your needs and financial situation. If you are in an area where rebuilding costs are high, or if you have significantly invested in maintaining and upgrading your home, replacement cost coverage might be the better option. It provides you the funds to fully restore your property without worrying about the diminished value due to age or wear and tear. For example, consider a homeowner in an older house who opts for actual cash value. They might pay lower premiums, but when damage occurs, the payout will be based on the depreciated value of the property. It's important to weigh the cost savings in premiums against the potential shortfall in rebuilding costs. I recommend reviewing your policy carefully and discussing your options with a trusted professional like Shield Public Adjusters, who can help ensure that you are adequately protected and that you get the maximum settlement you deserve during an insurance claim. If you have any questions about your policy or need help navigating your claim, contact us today for a free consultation. I'm Rudik Zubian, and at Shield Public Adjusters, we're here to protect your investment.